Longer lifespan, maintenance friendly, extremely safe, lightweight, enhanced discharge and charge efficiency are some of the key features of the LFP 12.8-200 storage system, manufactured by Junlee Energy, making it one of the best investments that a customer looking for off-grid choices can make. High mechanical impact, overcharging or short circuits. Thanks to its high power density, the battery is relatively compact and weighs 40% less than the conventional lead-acid batteries, making it easy to transport and install. Even at high discharge rates, it produces twice the power output of conventional batteries while maintaining a high energy capacity, boosting efficiency even further. It also makes an excellent drop-in replacement for lead-acid batteries, allowing it to replace the older, damaged or inefficient batteries without having to shut down the existing PV system. Faster charging and a lower discharge rate of less than 3% per month helps to reduce downtime, while also allowing it to be stored for extended periods of time.